Hey everyone, just going to give you a quick video on how to approach these compound shape area problems. Okay, so I'm going to start with number one from today's assignment. It just says find the area of each figure, round your answers to one decimal place if necessary. I don't think we have any decimal places. Anyway, the key to these compound shape problems is to break your shape apart into shapes where you know either the dimensions, either the base or the height, the width or the length, however you want to look at it. Okay, so right off the bat, it looks to me like there's a square sitting on top of a rectangle. So I can go ahead and draw my line and differentiate those two shapes, break those two shapes, shape number one, shape number two. And I can look ahead and say, hey, I know the dimensions of the square, 36, 36. I know the dimensions of rectangle, 72, 18. I have all the information I need to get my area from those two shapes. So I want to show you how I want these to be set up. So let's start with the square, doesn't matter which one. I know that to get the area of that square is just base times height. And for this shape, I know that the base is 36 here, and the height is 36 here as well. Even though the base is on the top, we know that the height and the base meet at that 90-degree angle, so I can use that as the base. So my height and my base are 36. I've plugged those in for B and H. 36 times 36 equals 1,296. We got some big numbers here. We'll do our units later. So there's our shape number one. Shape number two, A equals, again, I'm using base times height. The base for this one is 72. The height is 18. I just need to now multiply the base times the height, 72 times 18. And that is also 1,296. Interesting. So now all I need to do is add these two together. And I end up with 2,592 after I add these two together. Because remember, I'm adding these shapes back together. First, I broke them up, found their individual areas. Now I'm bringing them back together. The overall area after I add these two is 2,592. Remember to include units. We're talking about meters here, but since it's area, I have to square it. 2,592 meters squared. So this is how I want you to set up all of these problems and to do some of this, either do the scratch work on the sheet here or in your math notebook if you need more room. But that is the first step, is to finding what the shape within the shape and then finding those areas. Thanks for watching.